As soon as your portable dishwasher is done, it will kind of look like this. And then all those filthy, disgusting dishes are now sparkling clean and ready to be put away. And the final process of a portable dishwasher is you need to take that attachment back off. So what you'll do is you'll turn the water off. Then there's a bleeder here. You get the pressure out, you take it off, take off the fitting, and that fitting can go right back in there again, this piece. I probably need 2 hands to put that in, but anyways, you keep it all together. So I had to put the camera down to pull this piece down to put that fitting back on. And you're gonna get this fitting to put it back on here again so people can use the sink. So that goes back on again, and that's on finger tight, basically. And yeah, it's pretty much done. Then you just put the hose back out of the way. Done deal.